You are welcome. Let's see how we're going to do this problem here. Express 2 minus root 25i divided by 1 minus root 16i. I told you whenever you are seeing I, so we are working on the complex plane, okay? So we want to express this in this form, a plus ib. That is, a is the real number while b is imaginary number. So therefore, we are going to be using our surd rationalization, but before that, I would like to reduce this, fraction to its lowest form before doing the surd rationalization. So now from here, we can rewrite this to be 2 minus, you know that this root 25 is 5. We have 5i. Then divided by 1 minus, here also root 16 is 4. I can write it as 4i. Can you see? I have reduced this to this by taking the square root of 25 and 16. Good. So the next thing we're going to do right is, you can see that I've actually taken out this surd, which is root. Now this is to tell you that even if we don't have root here, in complex plane, if you have division of complex plane, what you're going to do is you are still going to rationalize. Do you understand now? That is 1 minus 4i, we multiply it because we don't want to be seeing I at the denominator. The same way we don't want to see the square root in terms of surd rationalization. Okay, so it's the same thing here. You don't want to see this I here. So now what will you do to evacuate the I? So we're going to see that we have 1. The conjugate of 1 plus 4i is going to be 1 plus 4i. That is 1 minus. I change this minus to plus. Becomes what? This becomes the conjugate of this. Then by 1 4i. Do you understand now? So I multiply this by this, then this by this. So now from there we have 2 times 1, I have 2. Then 2 times this, I have plus 8i. Right, then minus 5i times this, I have minus 5i. Then minus 5i times 4i, I have minus 20i squared. Don't forget I times I. Then divided by 1 times 1, I have 1. 1 times 4i, I have plus 4i. Then minus 4i times 1, I have minus 4i. Then I have minus 4 times this. Minus times plus, I have minus. I have 4 squared, which is what? 16. Let me write 16. 16, then I squared, because I times I give you I squared. Now recall that I squared is same thing as minus 1. From what? From the complex plane. So anywhere you see I squared, you replace minus 1. So that from there, we're going to have what? This is going to be 2, right, plus 8i minus 5i, we have what? 3i. Then here we have minus 20 into bracket I squared is minus 1. I put the minus 1 here, and divided by. Are you following? So now from there, what we're going to do now is that 2 plus 3i minus this, we have 1. This we cancel this, right? I have minus 16. Then here I have I squared, which is minus 1. I have minus 1 here. So now from there, I have this to be 2 plus 3i plus minus minus, we have plus 20, then divided by. Are you following? 1. This times this, we have plus 16. So this is going to be 2 plus 20, we have 22 plus 3i, then divided by 17. Right? So to write this in the form of a plus ib, what are you going to do? We're going to split this into real and imaginary. We have 22 over 7 plus 3i over what? Over 17. So where we have a to be 22 over 7 and b to be 3 over 17. Sorry, this is 17, now 7. So we have what? We have this expression written in this form as this. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this class to your colleagues so they can benefit from it. Bye bye.